What's up, you guys? It's me, Anne Catherine, your girl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe now. And if you haven't liked my other videos or watched my videos, go ahead and watch my videos. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, I am so excited, very excited. Actually, yung excitement ko ngayon, mga 80% na lang or 90%. I am not sure. Kasi kahapon or nung matagal na akong excited. So, meron kasi akong habit, pag nandun na sa araw na yon, hindi na ako na-excite. So, ngayon guys, but I am still excited to open up this certain topic. So I just want to welcome the newest member of our family. Sandran! I bought my first ever DJI drone, guys. Like super duper first. I don't have any experience in flying a drone. Hindi ko pa na-try mag-fly ng drone. So, ito talaga yung pinakauna. But I really wanted to have a drone. What I bought is the Spark Combo. I'm not sure if you can see, but that's it. It's a Spark Combo. So, I bought it, guys, in Tukom, Pattaya. It's an IT mall here in Pattaya, Thailand. I bought the combo for 21,000 baht. Yan, hindi ko na also i-convert ko dito in pesos and in USD. So ayun guys. So yeah, let's unbox this. So I'll be doing a review for DJI Spark for 2 parts. So this one is the first part. So, I'll be just doing the unboxing. Hindi ko talaga to ginalaw, guys, since kagabi pa. Kasi kagabi namin ito binili. Kasi gusto ko talagang gawa ng video, tsaka unboxing. So, hindi ko pa masyadong nakita yung loob. Kasi nung pagkabili namin, hindi ako masyadong kasi madalian yung pagbili namin. Kaya hindi ko siya masyadong na-testing and everything. So, yeah. But I have this, I have a warranty for this for 1 year. So, if everything goes wrong with the drone, I'll just go to the shop and use my warranty. Yeah, so the second part of this video, guys, I will be doing a test review as a beginner. Kasi beginner talaga ako ng beginner. So the reason why I bought a DJI Spark, kasi this drone is very good. I did my research. This drone is very good for beginners like me. Merong bagong drone ngayon sa DJI, yung DJI Tello, na sobrang maliit. Good for kids like that and family. But the problem with that Tello is that yung camera niya sa drone, hindi siya natitilt. I'm not sure if that's the right word. Hindi siya the downward. So, hindi mo makaka-capture yung sa baba. Pag ganun lang yung ano niya, yung capture niyang video niya or photo. However, yung DJI Spark is pwede kang kumuha ng video or photos pababa. So yeah, that's because it has also a gimbal. Techie. Disclaimer, guys, hindi ako techie person. I just learned some stuff and terms in researching and some of that. I really love gadgets, but I'm not a techie person. So, huwag natin ito patagalin. Let's open the box na, guys. So, yeah. So, ito yung loob ng DJI Combo. Oh my God, natatakot ako mahulog. So, this is it. I'm not sure if you can see. So, hopefully, makita nyo. So, ayan. So, meron tayong maraming foam. So, ayan. Let's start this one first. So, I think this is the DJI Spark. So, mamaya na natin ito siya i-open. Let's open the other items. Oh my God, gusto ko talagang bumili ng drone, guys, kasi nga I have upcoming travels very soon, very soon. So, gusto ko talagang kumuha ng mga magagandang shots since my channel is all about travel videos. Oh my God! It's an upgrade, guys. A member of our new family. So, this is the bag. Kasali to siya sa DJI combo. Yeah, yan yung bag. So, pwede siyang, okay, adjustable yung bag. So, I love how meron pa siyang mapa-ID dito. So, ayan. Gusto ko talaga siya para siyang, legit. Legit naman talaga. Yung binilhan ko sa Tokum Pattaya, guys, na DJR's Pattaya, Thailand, is an authorized dealer of DJI company. So, hindi sila fake. Ayan. So, pag i-open mo yung bag, so ganito. One thing is that I don't like about this bag, guys, kasi nga, ang gamit niya is pa downwards, hindi siya pa ganon. Mas gusto ko kasi yung bag na pa-open mo siya ng ganon, so ilalagay mo lang yung mga gamit. But pag ganon kasi siya, there's a tendency kasi na pag ganon mo siya, yung sa loob, yung mga charger and yung drone scratch together. Scratch together! Ayan. Ito, mga foam. Oh my God, a silicone. So, the first thing is that kunan natin is yung remote control. So, ito yung remote control, guys. Yun. I'm not sure if you can see, so bear with me. Ayan yung remote control niya. Oh my God, this is the remote control. Yan. Let's check, guys, kung kasi pwede mo ilagay yung phone mo dito sa remote control, but I'm not sure if my phone, kasi medyo may kalakihan yung phone ko. I'm not sure if my phone is fit to this one. Oh my God! Si Ann, my drone. Oh my God, hindi siya magkasya. For real? Teka lang, tanggalin ko to. Okay. So, how to insert my phone? Okay. Let's try this one and this. Kasya naman pala siya, guys. Look! This is, kasya siya, guys. Kasya yung phone ko. It's so amazing. I love, nanood talaga ako kagabi, guys, kung paano gamitin yung remote control. So, yeah. Yung antenna. So, ang pagkakaalam ko, yung antenna, you need to, ba't hindi siya natitwist? Ganon. So, I'll be videoing also in the part 2 that in-depth of how to use the remote control. So, ito na yung remote control, guys. Ang cute! Dream come true. Matagal ko na itong pinapangarap, guys. I told my friend before that 2 years from now, last year, I informed her, 2 years from now, I'm gonna buy a drone. So, but I never expected it gonna be so soon, today. Next year, agad-agad, makakabili na ako. So, what else? Meron pa tayong foam. We have the charger of the, I'm not sure, charger ng hindi ko alam. Hindi ko sure kung anong charger siya. I think it's a cable for the charger. And then, kasi ang alam ko, yung battery, pwede mo siya i-charge ng, we have propellers. Ayan, propellers. I'm not sure if I'm saying this right. Pagkakalam ko, propellers to siya, guys. Ayan, meron tayong 4 na propellers. Ayan, it's so amazing. Yung charger, hindi ako sure. Kasi ang pagkakaalam ko, you can charge the battery together. So, ayan, ito yung cable ng charger ng DJI Spark. Let's put it in a safe balance. Kasi baka malaglag. So, ito na yung okay, yun na yung lahat ng laman ng bag. So, yeah, yun na nga hindi ko gusto sa bag, guys. Mas gusto ko yung i-zip lang ganon, tapos i-open mo siya rather than like this one. Kasi parang, Kung lalagyan mo siya ng ganito, I don't know yet because I haven't tried to put all things together. Baka mag-work din siya. Mas cute talaga yung nakaganon. Yung isi-zip mo siya ganun para ganun na. And then, it's easier and comfortable. At saka, easy to use. Okay, let's go with this one. Ito na yung drone, guys. Oh my God. So, it's actually anong tawag dito? Isa siyang styrofoam. Pero yung pagka-styrofoam niya is legit. Kasi para siyang matigas. There's a DJI here. DJI. I'm not sure if you can see. So, bear with my focus of my camera, guys. So, oh my God! Ito na talaga yun, guys. Ayan, meron na tayong drone. Oh my God, ito na yun. Ito na yung drone. Yeah, yung combo kasi, guys, dalawa yung, oh my God, focus. Yung combo kasi, guys, meron na siyang remote control at dalawang battery. So, as far as I'm concerned, isang battery ng DJI Spark can fly up to 10 to 13 minutes. Yun lang. So, ayan. Ito yung isang battery. I'm not sure if you can see. Kasi nga, yung focus ng camera ko, nakafocus sa mukha ko. Ayan. I hope you can see. Ayan yung battery. Extra battery. Hindi ko magets yung sa charger. Or, ayan. And then, we also have two extra like this one. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Ayan. Oh my God. Meron na tayong DJI Spark, guys. So, eto na yung... baka kailangan kong bumili nung talagang charging battery na pwede mong i-charge together. Yun. Hindi ko magets kung ano to. I'll just do the research later kung ano to. Alam ko charger to, pero hindi ko alam paano siya i-charge dito. Or i-charge directly. I'm not sure. So, ito na guys, yung ating DJI Spark. Oh my God! Ayan. I choose the color white kasi, ewan ko, lahat ng gadgets ko mostly is white. Yung phone ko lang at yung isang DSLR camera is black. But usually I bought a gadget, it usually white. Kasi mas white siya tingnan. So, ayan guys, this is it. Ito yung sensor. Ayan. Hindi siya ganun ka-heavy. At saka, ang liit niya lang, guys. Ano lang siya sa kamay ko, oh. Parang isang, ano lang. So, yun nga. And then, this is what I said, na yung gimbal. Ayan, yung gimbal. Pwede siyang matilt pababa. So, wag natin siyang masyadong paglaruan kasi sensitive yung gimbal. It will make the video stabilize. Ayun nga. So, yeah. So, isa pa sa mga na-research ko kagabi on how to get the this is how you get the the battery from the DJI Spark, and you will find I'm not sure if you can see. I'm not sure, but you can see over here the Wi-Fi and the password of the DJI Spark. So that i-connect mo siya sa phone mo para doon sa DJI app. Kasi nga, di ba, DJI Spark. So, let's try to on this one. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if the battery is charged. So, let's on. So, I'll peel it off. So, ang sinasabi, you just click here. Okay. Okay, wala siyang battery. Walang laman yung battery, guys. So that's it. So, i-charge ko muna yung battery. So, in my part 2 of my video, it will be the testing and how to fly the DJI Spark as a beginners. Like, sobrang beginner. And then, yeah, this is it, guys. We already have a DJI Spark. So, a drone. So yeah, and also I'm going to do a video on how to register your drone here in Thailand. Kasi Thailand is very strict when someone is flying a drone. Like you need to register your drone to the respective authority. So if you're going to fly your drone without registrations and at all, you might end up in jail for 1 year or pay like 100,000 baht or more than 100,000 baht. So it's scary. So we need to register this first. So next week then i-register ko siya. Yeah. Okay guys, so see you next week or next time or what I don't know when I'm gonna post the part 2. So yeah. So this is it. Oh, hi guys, update guys. Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala na yung charging ko, yun lang, yung charger. Ito lang. So, ito lang. So, nag-research talaga ako guys. Kasi, hindi talaga ako hindi talaga ako naniniwala na yun lang. So, I did my research in the RC network. Yung sa, nag-unboxing din siya ng DJI SPARK Combo. He also have the charging one na pwede mong i-charge yung dalawang battery together. So, when I watched throughout his video, I found that meron pa palang packet, guys. Ayun. Ayun, guys. May packet pa pala. Hindi ko nakita. So, ito yung hinahanap ko, guys. Yan. Na pwede mo siyang i-charge yung at least 3 batteries together. So, ito nga. Sabi ko, pipili pa ba ako ng ganito? Ba't wala? So, magreklamo na sana ako dun sa shop. So, yeah, I found it. Meron pa pala siyang kit. Sorry. Yeah, and meron ito para sa charging where you can charge the 3 batteries or 2 batteries all together. So, i-connect mo lang siya dun sa pinakita ko kaninang portable charger. And then we have another one. This one, I'm not sure. This is to connect your DJI Spark to maybe to your computer directly. So, yeah. So, okay, that's it. Bye!
Still